talaga. Yung character ko dito, sobrang misteryoso. Kasi yung isang clip lang pinakita. So, dito natin malalaman tonight kung magkaiba talaga si Badong o masama. So, syempre, sobrang excited ako kasi yung ginagawa namin itong pelikula na talagang minahal namin. Papapanood na ng mga kapuso natin. So, maya-maya lang mapapanood yung video.
Hindi na lang gusto ang palabas na to. Ito, Allen, our last question for you. Kung meron kang 3 words to describe this film, ano yun? Challenge, 3 words lang. Pero go!
Nakakatakot,
Okay.
nakakaba,
Ito sinabi ni Allen, parang ang daming bigyan jump scare. Pero, nakakaman namin yan. Thank you so much, Allen. And we'll see you inside. Thank you so much. And now, next, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you know and love her. And now, pwede ba tayo bumati ng belated happy birthday kay Sophia, who just entered her 20s with this very new film. How do you feel, Sophia? Grabe, this is what Shiny feels like.
Parang seryoso ko na nagsabi na parang we're giving 20 na talaga. Parang ito talaga yung nag-strike to yung
Your mature era.
Is my mature era. Wow!
Pero ito, Sophia, I asked Alec kanina, if you could describe the film in 3 words, what would it be? Ikaw, para sa'yo, ano yung 3 words na yun to describe this film?
Una, syempre, nakakatakot.
Of course.
Nakakatakot talaga. Pero, nakakaiyak.
Nakakaiyak.
Nakakaiyak. And last, nakakapangilabot.
Nakakapangilabot. Ay, medyo malalim tayo sa nakakapangilabot na na. And with that, thank you so much, Sophia. I'll see you inside later.
Anak, wait lang, baka po na. Thank you.
And with that, of course, part of our amazing cast, the one and only Miss Sherilyn. And with that, Miss Sherilyn, please make your way up the stage for a very quick interview. Hi! Hi!
Pagkantaan niyo yun.
Yes! So, Miss Sherilyn, first of all, how are you feeling na mag-premiere na yung film? What's the emotions running through?
But at the same time, medyo kinakabahan ako because like my kids, it's been a long time since they last saw me on big screen. Tapos ito pa, first time na kakaiba. So, one of my kids said, Mama, baka maiyak ako, imbes na matakot ako.
Wow!
Yes. So, abangan nila, bakit kaya?
Ay! Aabangan po namin yung Miss Sherilyn kasi ikaw ang nagsabi. And then inside, Miss
Yes.
Sherilyn,
Thank
so
you,
much.
thank you. Nice to see everyone.
And now, next up, mag-ingay ang fans ni Marco Masa! Marco, first up! Marco, yung picture! Marco, yung picture! And with that, Marco, please come up on stage for a quick interview. Hi, Marco. Hi. Everyone kung ano nararamdaman nila. Ibahin naman natin ng onti ngayon. Sino ang favorite character mo dito sa ensemble natin ng Huwag Kang Titingin? Except sa character mo, syempre. And explain why.
Favorite character ko, syempre, aside from Brian, which is me, siguro si Celine. Kasi siya yung ate ko eh.
That's
Siya
so
talaga yun.
sweet. What made you say yes to the role?
Well, of course, aside sa medyo marami-rami akong nagawa na horror movies before. Siguro I saw something different dito sa Huwag Kang Titingin that made me say yes. And of course, it's another opportunity at ibang atake naman to sa horror. So I was really open to like work on it.
Alam mo, dyan ako excited, Marco. Everyone keeps saying, everyone from the cast talaga sinasabi nila, may something different sa movie na to. Kahit horror siya, and we all know horror, guys. So excited. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And I also would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone na pumunta dito. Maraming salamat. I hope you guys enjoyed the film. And I'm just excited. Yun, maraming salamat.